guys, very pretty. Kasama forgets. Sito.
Ayan, dito tayo. Yan, dito sa dulo. Oh, ano, dali oh. Pamaypay.
2, 3, go!
The sun shines through the leaves.
Yeah, but we have to ask why there's wolf.
Mom and Dad, a girl and a boy, with a dog and a cat, running free in the forest where we love to be.
It's a bonfire. Hi.
This is like a Lebatopia house in
Birds are singing in the sky.
bonfire.
Bloom in time flies by.
Yeah, I know.
We laugh, we play, we share it all. Together we're strong. We never fall. With the dog and a cat,
Fire.
I don't know.
We have wood sticks, I think.
You can ask Dad. Ask Toto. Ganda nitong bahay na to. Parang biglang wish ko magkaroon ng ganito. Nice place. This can be rented too. It's very simple but it's very, very pretty. I like this Airbnb that we rented here in Silang. Very aesthetic shine place and very relaxing. You can have a bonfire. There's also a court there. It's spacious parking as well. There's bonsai. There's like a small lounge area here. Sensor pa yung mga lights niya, guys. So yeah. It's very nice. It's a lounge area. And then the plants are so well kept. They are so well maintained. And you can also rent this simple house. But currently we rented the place for 16 packs. So parang what we get is the big house. So the big house have, I think, 5 rooms already. What? Sino ma?
Si Samantha.
Ayan yung siya ma. Di naman umiyak eh. And I think this is the caretaker's house. Here's the nice place. Oh, say hello!
Hi to my vlog.
Yeah, say hi to my vlog. So, yan. Ang kalat, guys. But, very aesthetic. Yan, may paganyan pang area. Yeah, si Madam nag-chill.
Yung ano ko, kita mo yung koi ko.
Oh, yeah, there's koi fishes. There's frog in there. Oh, there's a frog doing something. There's a frog doing something. Ayun o, dalawa sila o. Ayun o. Ayan, nahiya tuloy. And then there's koi fishes sleeping. That's the pool area. It's so nice. Aray ko! Bigat ng pinto. Si Papa. Yeah, I told in your isang number kasi nagkamali ako. Sa isang number mo. But there's one room there. About it here is that marumi yung rooms nila. In fairness. Hindi siya smell. So up here, there's also a big comfort room. Yeah. And there's one room. I think this is the master's bedroom with a balcony. Just check the balcony. Oopsie. Fireplace here, very nice. Guys, very pretty. Another room. Nice swimming pool. And then there's another room, but it's locked. I don't know, maybe that's just like a storage room. Ay, di ko nakuban. Ulit. Yay! Oh, go inside! Go around the bonfire!
Oo, kasi may ano pa to. May gasolina pa.
Mamaya pa mag-hotdog. Mamaya pa raw mag-hotdog. Tatanggalin.
Thank you, sir, ha?
Thank you! Oh, go, sit. Kasi basa kayo eh.
Once upon a time, there was a baboy. Swimming baboy. With a charcoal.
Sakto, black naman din suot ko. Black na naman
Problema lang nito, mangangamoy tayong usok mamaya. Kaya dito muna kayo.
Usog muna kayo.
May usok tayo niyan.
Chuck is the water guy.
Ay, sige po. Galing ni Daddy, ah. Gino, dance nga todo, Pap.
Saga is my favorite.
Oh, this is my Gino.
Gino. He's so sweet. I like Gino because he's my dad. Hey, yo. Baby Saga. It looks like it's gonna go out.
Ay, may sigalag. Dito tayo. Okay, we're gonna cook bonfire with hot dog. Let's try. Eee! Okay. Whoa!
Where's the hot dog?
Dito tayo dito.
What do I want to?
Oo, wait lang.
It's so hot. It's so hot.
Wait lang. O, give Kai a hot dog, dali. Ito na sa'yo yung niluto ko. Kasama forgets.
Paano, lumalapit siya. Ito ba sa
Is it okay, Sammy?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Check your hot dog if it's already cooked, love.
Not yet cooked.
Not yet cooked?
Burnt in the front.
Not yet daw.
Huwag mo itutok sa may kahoy.
Don't dikit on the on the wood. Only on the fire.
Ganyan lang siya. Ikot-ikot mo.
Kaya pala marshmallow para madali lang.
Dog mo. Oo nga eh. Marshmallow tapos na sana eh.
So smoky. It's so smoky.
Half body lang. Para dikit yung mo. Mold mo.
Ate, don't cook the stick again.
It's not my fault. Huwag mo sabang dikit sa may mat. Ikot-ikot mo lang.
Hindi naman to bonfire, grilling to. Grilling activity to, guys. Grilling.
So sweaty.
Hi, like it?
Yan, dito tayo. Yan, dito sa dulo. Oh, ano na, dali oh. Pamaypay.
Ang bright mo talaga.
Ito oh, 5 piso.
Okay, guys. Bonfire.
Gawa tayo masarap din, may ketchup eh.
Bonfire
diba?
turn into grilling station.
Nalagyan ko ito ketchup.
Ang sarap. May ikot.
Ketchup talaga.
Oh, di ba?
May ketchup. Wala naman tayong ketchup yata.
Sir, pabili. Magkano isa?
Wala. Ewan ko lang dyan.
Ito, tita, wala sunog to. Ayan na, Diyos ko po. Ayan na. Dito. Oh, di ba? Madali pang maluto. Ingit.
Si ate ang pinatulan ka pa yata sa pa-ketchup eh.
Alam ko wala kang talang ketchup.
Sam, look! Look at daddy's grilling station.
Ito, alam na, gusto mo? Oh, ito yung matibig technology. Ano yun eh? Technology. Ano yun? Technology. Ano yun?
Yan, magkano yan? Magkano yan, ma'am?
10.
10.
Kasi may oyster to eh. Without oyster sauce magkano? 7.
Nakakatawa.
Mahal.
Morning! Hi the video. Let me see you swim, love. Let me see my swim. Oh no, what happened to the floaty? Let me fix it muna. Please.
Has have so much keep of the motors.
Yeah.
How many times?
So many times.
How many?
Let me fix muna. Careful. Go in the pool. Uy, Doon sa may dragonfly. Go! Awa ka, they're gonna smash you, Sam. Ayan na. Belly flop. Dapat sabay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Moving!
I touched it first.
Yeah, I think Yana won. You want to do that? What? Din move ka. Okay, 1. Again na. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, tay tayo, tay.